Hi everyone, I'm Nate, president of the Lehigh Valley Rose Society, and I'm here today to talk about our rose fertilizer. It is all natural and organic. I formulated it and registered it with the Pennsylvania Department of Agriculture. It features 7 plant, food, and soil amendment ingredients, as well as a blend of 4 endo and 7 ectomycorrhizal fungi. The mycorrhizal fungi is specifically added because it helps to encourage vigorous growth of the roots, which helps the roses weather extremes, environmental extremes, and it helps to absorb the water and the nutrients. And it is not cheap. It costs $342 for us to purchase a 20-pound bag of it. So I'm here today with Queen of Sweden. It is a David Austin rose, and I'm going to be doing a monthly feeding. So since this is an established rose, you'll want to take between 1/4 and 1/2 cup of our fertilizer, and you'll want to do a little bit of a moat around the base of the rose, and then spread the fertilizer all the way around, and then you'll want to cover it back up. And then you'll want to water it in. Alright, so that's that. As I said, since it's established rose, you want to use between 1/4 and 1/2 cup of the fertilizer. For a new rose that you're planting, you'll want to use between 1/2 cup and 1 cup of the fertilizer. So you'll dig the hole, you'll add some of the fertilizer in, add some soil, put the plant in, and then I like to layer the fertilizer with soil that's already there, compost, fertilizer, soil, compost, all the way up until the top of the plant, and then water it in. So we have this available in a 2.25 pound bag and a 13.5 pound bag. The smaller bag is for new roses. It has 5 to 10 feedings in the bag, or if you use it for established roses, it has between 10 and 20 feedings per bag. For the larger bag, for new roses, it's between 30 and 60 feedings per bag, and for established roses, between 60 and 120 feedings per bag. It's available on our website, lvrosesociety.org, and it's also available at the Bethlehem Rose Garden Farmers Market or any other events that we are invited to and have a tent set up at. So it has an NPK rating of 433. An NPK stands for nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Any bag of fertilizer, you'll see those 3 numbers. Usually they'll have it referenced either on the front of the bag, right here, or on the back. Fertilizers are required to have a guaranteed analysis listed, which is the different ingredients and the percentage for like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, things like that. So the directions for the fertilizer are also on the back of the bag, as well as our contact information, and then the production date. And because of the mycorrhizal fungi, it actually has an expiration date as well. So for the most recent batch that we've blended, the expiration date is March of 2023. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach out to us in the comments section on the YouTube video, or you can also email us, info@lvrosesociety.org. So far, from all of the people that have purchased our fertilizer, we've received rave reviews, and it's actually also now used by the Allentown Parks Department for the Allentown Rose Garden. So be sure to pick up a bag of it for yourself. Thanks for joining us today. These photos are from Queen of Sweden from its first flush of the season on May 23rd of this year. This is the smaller 2.25 pound bag, and this is the larger 13.5 pound bag.